Today I'm going to show you one of the best walks in the Mediterranean and a way to enjoy the incredible island of Santorini without the crowds. It's a spectacular clifftop walk to the gorgeous town of Ia. Even if you've never heard of Ia, you will have seen photos of it, promoting tourism to Greece in travel guides, on postcards, and of course, on social media. Our hotel is located in the town of Imerovigli, so that will be our starting point today. The distance from Imerovigli to Ia is about 8.2 kilometres or about 5 miles. If you're staying in the main town of Fira, the walk to Ia is about 10.5 kilometres or 6.5 miles.
Good morning. It is 20 past 9 and we've just left Imerovigli heading towards Ia, which you can see in the distance there. A distance of about 5.3 kilometres. And we're looking forward to a Greek coffee with a nice overlook when we get there. Look at that. That is stunning. That's what this walk is all about. Now, I'm a street photographer and I'm quite comfortable having people in my photos. That's part of street photography. But here in Santorini, I'm not so keen on that, because most of the people that you'll see will be tourists, and that's not really the kind of photography that I'm interested in doing.
The weather for today is 22 degrees and sunny, perfect for this walk. The main reason for doing this walk is for the sheer joy of the fabulous views. Any photos that I can take will be a bonus.
It's kind of steep here. We've been walking for about 40 minutes and I can see a really pretty church in front. This way to Ia, not Oya.
This is the only drinks and snack stand that we passed on the entire walk, so come prepared.
We've been walking for about an hour and a half, and I believe this is the last hill that we have to climb before we get to Ia. So we're taking a bit of a stop, and we need it. We need a rest. But I have to say, it's only about 20 degrees, even though it's quite warm sun. You wouldn't want to do this when it's 30 degrees, or 35 degrees, or 40 degrees.
Santorini is a dormant but active volcano. A huge eruption 3,600 years ago blew the top off the volcano. It also destroyed several Mediterranean civilizations, including one on this island. Santorini and some of the nearby islands are what remains of the mostly submerged caldera.
Oh, that white church up ahead. It's a very welcome sight. That is the top of this hill climb. And from there it should be all downhill to Ia. It's now 10 to 11 and it feels a lot warmer than it did when we started.
You can see that we're not alone on this walk, but there aren't that many other people. Most of the walk feels remote and peaceful. You can also do the walk in the reverse direction by taking the local bus to Ia, then walking back. It's slightly more difficult starting in Ia as there is more uphill and downhill. But if you start early, walking from Ia, you'll avoid the crowds. More on that later. Because of our late start, by the time we arrive in Ia, the tour buses have also arrived, so it's a bit hectic. My tip is that if you want to enjoy and photograph Ia without the crowds, catch the earliest bus you can to get here before the cruise ship crowds. You can then walk back to your hotel in Fira or Imerovigli. As a bonus, you get great early morning light for your photos. Or consider staying in Ia overnight. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the breathtaking scenery on Santorini. Have you done this walk or do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments below. And please click the like button to help the channel grow. If you want to see more stories about travelling and photography, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon to get upload notifications. See you in the next one.